Hi friends, I hope you are well and healthy at this critical time. I'm Kevin Wang, CEO of the Green Motor Technology Group. The Green Motor Tech was founded back in 1995. We professionally produce and supply electrical vehicles components with a wide variety. We sell our products and services more than 120 countries and regions. We accumulated 600 customers, and also we have more than 200 foreign customers visit in our factory in China. So this is a typical rear drive power system. All these 12 components are well connected and integrated. This is the motor, this is the rear axle with differential, this is the controller, wiring harness, contactor, DC-DC converter, gear store, key switch, dashboard, foot accelerator, and also the Nissan battery and also battery charger. They are well connected, and let's see how it works. The key switch turns on and we just need to press the foot accelerator. Yes, it works very well. You can also adjust the speed by enlarging the power of the motor as well as adjusting the gear ratio to adjust the torque. Besides this AC drive system, the Green Motor Tech also provides the permanent magnetic synchronous motor and controller. The main feature of this PMS motor and controller is high voltage, no current, high torque generating, water cooling system, and high efficiency. They are most suitable for electrical, heavy loading trucks, city bus, vans, and also these high-speed cars. I welcome you to discuss Green Motor Tech more, and we are confident that we are able to support your business to grow with our products and services. I believe you will like our products. For more details, I welcome you to visit our website at greenmotortech.com or contact me at kevinwang@greenmotortech.com anytime. We are confident and we are pleased to be your business partner all the time. Thank you.
I've been dreaming on in my head like I've seen it. A life worth living is a life with meaning. I'll do what I love till my heart stops beating. I'm feeding this demon. Got a taste, can't erase bitterness in my face. Work a job every day till you